Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review of 6 silicone oils which I tested. If you are new to my channel and new to acrylic pouring, I have 6 introductory videos for beginners. In intro 1, I show all the materials needed. Intro 2, how to prep and prime your canvas. Intro 3, how to mix the paint. Intro 4, how to do a dirty pour. Intro 5, double dirty pour, and Intro 6, how to do a flip cup. So let's get started. I tested 3 silicone oils and 3 dimethicone oil. So to simplify things, I decided to break it down into 2 parts. So these are the 3 silicone oils that I tested. The Moto Master is the one that I used in all my previous videos. And as you can see, I have some pretty awesome cells. The liquid wrench, that is also an aerosol, and the silicone oils, I must mention, they're primarily used in automotive work or mechanical work for squeaky doors, your bicycle chain, stuff like that. And the third one is treadmill oil. And the 2 aerosols, I heard if you have pets and you spray it indoor, it can make your pet sick. So I will be discontinuing the Moto Master, which is the oil I usually use. And I will not be recommending the liquid wrench. As you can see, both of them have the warning on there saying that it is dangerous. So those I will not be using. As for the treadmill oil, it's pretty safe because it's not a aerosol. However, one downside is it's a pretty thick oil, and because of that, it's harder to clean. And you know you have to clean the silicone oil before you can varnish. So if you can see in the bottom there, that's 2 dimples from the silicone oil. And this will take me a longer time to clean than the thinner oils. So that is the review for the 3 silicone oil that I tested. So it's out with the old and in with the new. These are silicone oils that are made for the human body. But on the back of each bottle, you will not see the word silicone oil. You will see the word dimethicone. And these are all hair oils. And as you can see, I got awesome cells with all 3. The color choice on this one wasn't the best, but still focus on the cells. First off, we have olive oil, and as I said on the back, it says dimethicone, and this is a hair oil, so it's perfectly safe. And second, we have coconut milk, and you have to make sure that you pick up the coconut milk because I think they have another one called coconut water. That one does not say dimethicone on the back, so that will not work for you. And last we have L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. So these are all hair oil that says dimethicone on the back where they have the ingredients list. So overall, I'd say dimethicone is the way to go and not silicone, but all 6 of them gave awesome cells. These I bought at Walmart, and they range between $6 to $8. So I hope you enjoyed today's review. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comment section, and give us a like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. As always, take care. Bye bye.